Welcome to Transformation Tuesday. Every week, we unlock a new chapter in your health and wellness journey. Here, it's about transforming not just your body, but your life. From nourishing foods to invigorating workouts, we cover it all. Hit that like button and subscribe now for weekly inspiration. Because every Tuesday, we bring you something fresh, something exciting, something transformative. Ready to make a change? Let's dive in.
Welcome to a special episode of Transformative Tastes. Cultural adaptations and viewer engagement invites you to the global table where we blend tradition with innovation. We begin by showcasing dishes adapted by our viewers. From gluten-free Italian pasta to vegan Mexican tacos, see how classic recipes are reimagined to suit diverse dietary needs and preferences. Next, we explore the fusion of ingredients across cultures. Discover how spices from India can enhance a traditional American dish, or how a Japanese miso can transform a European soup. Health is global. We highlight viewer submissions that focus on nutritious adaptations, such as adding more vegetables to a meat-heavy dish or using healthier fats in cooking. Your creativity in the kitchen inspires us. Thanks for contributing to Transformative Tastes. Like, subscribe, and keep sharing your culinary adventures. Who knows, your dish might be featured next. Thanks for watching.